Hello guys, Got the Trends here, and today I'm going to share something about how to print our modules in booklet type. So the very first thing that we need to have for us to have a printed modules in booklet type is that we need to have our Adobe Reader 11. So my netbook is Asus, so I don't have any problems for it because Adobe Reader 11 is already installed in my netbook. So this is the Adobe Reader 11. But if your Adobe Reader is not Adobe Reader 11, then there would be problems if you're going to print the modules in booklet type. So the problem would be the sequence of the pages is not accurate. So for you to have a good output on your booklet, you need to download Adobe Reader 11. You need to download if you don't have an installed Adobe Reader 11 on your netbook, but if you have, you don't need to. So how do we download Adobe Reader 11? So on your Google Chrome, you may search for Adobe Reader 11. So I type here Adobe Reader 11 free download for Windows 10. So after you click search, so this will show up, and then you have all the choices here. So but anyway, let's start since we already have the Adobe Reader 11. Okay, so let me minimize this one. So before you are going to print it into booklet type, is that you need to convert your modules into PDF. Since my module is in Word format, so it's in Word format and it's not a PDF type, so I couldn't open this one on our Adobe Reader 11. So what we need to do is we need to convert our Word document into PDF. But if you already have a module that is in PDF format, then it's much better. We could directly proceed to printing it into booklet type. So how do we convert Word into PDF? So you just need to open your Word document. Okay, if your module is in Word format, so you just need to open it, and then on the left side, the upper left side, there's a certain ribbon that says File. You need to click that one, and once you click that one, you could see below there's a certain word that says Export. So we are going to click Export, and once you click Export, this will be highlighted, Create PDF or XPS document. So we just need to highlight that one, so it's already highlighted, and just we need to we need to click this one, Create PDF, so we could convert the Word document into PDF format. So let's convert it. So alright, so we need to save the file. Title is Music 2 Quarter 3 Module 24 version 3, and right now it's in PDF format, so I might just I don't need to rename it. I'll just need to click Publish, but we need to edit where to save this one. So I click Desktop, so it will be displayed on my home screen, so it would be easy for me to locate it, and then I click Publish. Alright, so let's wait and see. Alright guys, so this is now the PDF format of our module. So as you can see right here, the title is Music Quarter 2 Module 24 version 3 .pdf. So it is now in PDF format. So we are now ready to print the module into booklet type. So let's close this one, and then we need to, on our Windows here, Windows, we need to click the Windows, and then we need to click or locate first the Adobe Reader 11 and click it. So now we're opening the Adobe Reader 11. So after we open the Adobe Reader 11, this is how it looks like. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to click My Computer. So we are going to locate files that is stored in your computer. So let's click my computer. After you click my computer, this is now the part that you are going to search which of the PDF modules are you going to print. So as I could remember, I saved the PDF format of a module into desktop. Alright, so this is the music module that I wanted to print in booklet type. So I'm going to click that one, and then I'm going to click open, and let's wait for the Adobe Reader to open the module. So this is how it looks like. Alright, so this is now ready to be printed into booklet type. So on our netbook or laptop, we just need to press Ctrl P, and then after that set the printer to print it. Alright, and next we just need to leave this as is. And in this part, the page sizing and handling, this is the part where we're going to customize. So since we're going to print this in booklet type, we need to click booklet. So it's already highlighted, so it would be the chosen sizing and handling. And in this part, you can see booklet subset. So we have here 3 parts, both sides, front sides, and back side only. So here in our picture, these are the parts of the module that are in add pages. So let's print the front side of the booklet. So it's already set the front side. Okay, so let's start. So just let this remain as is, as well as this one, let it remain as is, and let's start. So let's click print. Alright, so this is now our product, but this is not done yet because we're not done printing the back side. So these are the add pages. So as you can see on side B of the bond paper, it's still empty. So as you can see, the last page to come out from the printer is this one. So be cautious to not interchange the pages or do not break the sequence of the pages, so that we will be sure that all of the pages printed in our side B are also the right pages when it's all done. Let's dive in and print the even pages. Alright, so on our printer, this is how I place the papers. So I just place it like that, and then it's now ready to be printed in the side B of the paper. Printer is already set to print the back pages, so let's wait. Alright, so this is our finished product. So this one is the add page, and this is the even page. So this is the finished product. We just need to fold it into half. After we fold it into half, this is now our finished product. So this is our finished product.